Mad fools busted tricks. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, perfect! Man, they're all good to me. You pick. Yeah, you killed it.
Hey, what's up? Reddy here. I saw that photo you shot with Burnett. It looks sick. That's the type of stuff that's gonna sell boards. You get coverage, we sell boards. And you know what? That's how the game works. Everything you do sells boards. Shoot photos, film, do a race, kill yourself on a haul of meat, even doing stuff online. Pretty simple, right? Now go hit the streets.
Yo, grind or slide, let's... All right, here we go. Woo, that's it, that's perfect. Which is the money shot?
Yo, dude, what's up? It's Retta. Check it out. Coverage is hitting, and I'm getting bombarded with sponsor me tapes. So guess what? It's time to put someone on the team.
Ah, Retta told me about this spot. Yeah, let's do this. Dude, that must have sucked. Ah, you killed it. Ah, I hope I got it.
Oh man, you made this.
Hello and welcome to the Port Carver. This contest involves you skating, so go! This is your chance to shine. Check, check. Is the mic on? I don't know if the contestants can hear me. Oh, well caught, kickflip.
Yeah, man. Nice one.
You just went from the bottom close to the top. Private colonel.
That was cool,
Oh, some serious points, and the danger factor is up with those kind of bouncy moves. Oh! Pulls it out like a rabbit in a hat. Good job, magician. With a stronghold on the #1 spot, killing it right now, making Red a proud. They got some good products out. Check it out, the local skate park. Back out some bangers. This is the ender. All right, that's all we got. That round is over. Good job. Top of the league. All right, round 2. And it's time to get it cracking. Last one was good. Let's see if you got this one. Oh, looks like we got an early bloomer. Woo-hoo! #1 spot is down. It takes a lot to impress me, and you are impressing me right now. Keep it up, kiddo. The top of the leaderboard. Not to mention a lot of people riding these boards, man. I tell you, it's looking good for these cats. If there was any better way to do it, it's hidden somewhere in a cave, and Indy has not found it. Skating like this, there's no doubt in my mind that you're going to take this home. And he gets it! Oh, guts! Down there! I've seen some good skateboarding, and I've seen some better skateboarding, but this is definitely darn great. Let's snap out those bangers. Time is not remaining many. Over. Oh, round 2. Oh! There's no doubt in my mind with skateboarding like this.
Yep. All right, let's get this party started, man. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it. Yeah, that is the one. Yo, which one's the one? Yep, first try Fridays. Let's do this. Yo, this will sell boards. Yo, which one you want to run?
Hey, dude, check it out.
Dude, Reddit wasn't kidding. Like, he hooked us up right. We got everything we needed here.
And let me know how fly it is, all right?
transition. Make it real, make it proper, and I don't care if you get arcadey with it. Get out there and make something happen. It smells like popcorn in here. Alright, I just got an official announcement from Dr. Benny. We're gonna have a safety meeting down by the rocks in a bit. Come on, guys. Woo! Somebody's got the eye of the tiger right now. I landed it. Oh, I'm almost getting biscuits before they're hatched. This dude's the first, might win it all. Oh, he's selling biscuits like Roscoe's. This guy's in the first place. And hold down some new product down at the skate shop. Go down and check out your local skate emporium. Whoop-cha! That's a slam dunk on your head. Nissan Shigo Roku. Stick fork in you. You're done. It's over. Judge, how's first place treating you? You're round 2, same spot. New. I think people are watching you start skateboarding. Oh, let's see if we can get a little repeat on that last round of action. Oh, busting out early, busting out hard. Let's see if you can hold it. That's a dragon spray right there. Dragon it! First place. Time to plug 2-1. Yeah, go check out their brand.
That was a good one.
Check your avatar. Have you gone checked out your avatar lately? You might want to check your avatar. It's getting dirty. Yeah, rotator. Oh, don't 1-foot that. Yeah, that's really tooting my toot. Okay, get him in, make it good. Snuggle grab it. Arms up. Let's see what the judges have. Congratulations. If you need help spending that money,
All right, here's what we're gonna do. All right, time to shred.
perfect. We're done. That was it. Check it out. Whichever one you want.
Come on, you guys, let's go!
Later, losers.
My bad.
Wow, these are good.
Whoa, this place is kind of weird. All right, let's get it done. Ah, you owned it up. All right, let's check it.
All right, trip on this. What I want you to do... Let's see it. Show me what you got. Oh, I can't... Oh, no! All right, we're all set. Line's perfect. Let's do this. Hey, we got it, man! Good job! Yeah, man. Your choice.
Yo, Retta again. Have you been down to the skate shops lately? Business is booming. They can't even keep our stuff on the shelves. We are killing it. You know what that means, right? It's time to put somebody else on the team.